Hey, are you on Threads yet? Threads is the new social media platform by Meta, and it's in direct competition with Twitter. Now, Twitter is having a lot of problems. A lot of disgruntled people about Twitter. So Threads might be just taking off. Matter of fact, they broke records. Twitter, people have been leaving Twitter like crazy, and in the first 24 hours, Threads had 30 million downloads. That broke a record set by ChatGPT. So I think they're going to be here to stay. Now, if you have an Instagram account, you already have a Threads account. Now, we know early adopters always make out the best on these new platforms. So you got to get on the bandwagon, get in on the ground floor, claim your name, as they say, and get your claim to fame on Threads. This is your chance to be the guy in your niche on a new platform. Build an audience. Remember, you were saying, if I was only on YouTube in 2011, remember when you were saying, if I only started my TikTok in 2020? Now is the time. Now is your chance. Threads. Get in on Threads. It's not a place for spam, okay? Build your niche. Build authority in your niche by posting continuously. I'm not sure about the life of a thread, but the life of a tweet wasn't very long. So I would imagine, since it's based on Twitter, that the thread probably doesn't have that long of a shelf life. So that means you're able to post like every hour if you wanted to. Build an audience, find out what the problem that they're having is, and offer them a solution. And you're going to be the authority in the niche. Now's your chance. Don't pass up Threads. Go to Instagram, go to settings, drop it down. It's right there. Join Threads. Carry over your Instagram followers. You'll have your Instagram name. You've already got a leg up. You've got a head start. You've got a bunch of followers. You've got a bunch of content. Now let's get going. Did I tell you Threads is good for affiliate marketing because they let you post links? Subscribe to the channel for more tips.